Welcome to your Amazon FBA private label journey. Before you begin, there is one important step you must take. Choose your business goal clearly. Are you building this for a side income? Something to support your monthly expenses while you keep your job or studies? Or do you want to turn it into a full-time business, replacing your job and becoming your main source of income? Maybe your goal is bigger: financial freedom, the ability to work from anywhere, control your time, and live life on your own terms. With Amazon FBA, you can also build passive income, where your products keep generating sales even when you are not actively working. But remember, success starts with clarity. When your goal is clear, your decisions become smarter, and your path becomes easier to follow. And the opportunity is global. You can sell your products in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, reaching millions of customers worldwide. So take a moment, decide your goal, and commit to your journey. Your Amazon FBA business starts with this first decision, and your future starts today.